Today I'm making just a very quick review of this standard bubble wrap. It is great quality. You can see that it has a very dense fill inside all of the bubbles, so you get that really great snap and packaging with these. I do like that these will actually tear off on their own, so every so often you're going to get this little area here where you can kind of see it's naturally perforated. It rips very easily down that perforation to make it very easy to wrap. So you can see you get a pretty decent square of bubble wrap before you get the next perforation. If I unroll this, you'll find that there's another one right here. So you can see it's perforated again. Makes it very nice for packaging because it just kind of rips on its own. I can do that one-handed. But like the plastic that this is made out of is very, very strong. So like when I go to tear, you know, it just kind of stretches. So unless you're on that perforation, very strong bubble wrap. Again, these are really filled nicely. So you can see that they all have that bubble in them. They're not like duds or anything like that, so these work really, really well. The size on this is 12 inches in between each perforation, so you can kind of see that. And then it's also another 12 inches wide. So you get 12 by 12 squares between the perforation, but again, these are all attached, so it's a 12-inch wide roll. It just wraps and packages very nicely. You can kind of ball it up and give your package, you know, a nice little cushion on the bottom before you go and box things up. Overall, really great product. If this is something that you are considering, I do recommend it. This is something I was gifted by the manufacturer, so I could give you my honest, unbiased opinion. So hopefully this kind of helps you decide if it's the right product for you or not. But overall, I'm very happy with it. It's working great for us. I know that we are going to get a lot of use out of it.